This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have the Google accounts you'll use and that each one is verified. This prevents lockouts. Once you've enabled two-step verification and recovery email, open YouTube, tap or click your profile icon, and choose Add Account. This immediately links the account for fast switching. Make sure to sign in fully to each account before continuing. Partial logins can block permissions later. Now you're ready to switch into the account you want to manage. Once signed in, use the profile menu's Switch Account feature to flip between accounts quickly. This works the same on mobile and desktop. If you need a shared presence, create a brand account and move or create channels under it, which lets multiple logins manage one channel. To delegate without sharing passwords, go to Settings, choose Permissions, and invite managers by email. This keeps ownership intact while distributing tasks, which is safer and scales better than sharing credentials. Finish by always checking the active account and the profile icon before you upload, comment, or change monetization. That prevents cross-posting mistakes. Once done, consider using distinct browser profiles or the mobile app's account switcher to keep cookies and sessions separate. If you hit issues where YouTube refuses to switch accounts, clear browser cookies, sign out of Google entirely, then reauthorize each account. If that fails, remove and re-add the account in Google settings. This resolves most auth conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.